Hello, Mikey Shaves back. How y'all doing today? Got another shave for you. Quick shave this morning. I'm on call and all that, but still way behind before they call me maybe. But today I'm gonna be shaving with my what's this one? Superior lather catcher with a little plastic thing behind the blade to make it like a wedge a little bit. One of the ones I use, that little wedge from Frugal Shaves, I think I got that from. Be shaving with that, with the little wooden handles that JR made me, Jim Rowe shaving, which is beautiful. I'll be shaving with that for the razor. And be using some regular Arco in the Arco container that you can get on shavenation.com, and be using this from the Okie shaver, a brush he gave me, so soft. Be using that for the brush. So let me wet my face right quick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna come in, hang on. Okay, leave the face wet. None of that running this on the water and all that kind of stuff. Got water on your face already. Why get this wet on the water and all that when you ain't got to? Arco, a good lather, little shave stick. I love the smell, a lemony smell, Turkish. Oh, let me wet the brush. Don't take long to hydrate, synthetic, sling all the water out. A little water. More water. This brush is so soft, they don't give you no brush burn. That all be good on the water. Okay. All right. And first pass with the Superior lather catcher with a little plastic behind the blade to make it look like a wedge blade. I think these things used wedge blades back in their days, but you can use it with just the SC blade without the wedge behind it. So first pass, this thing is smooth and very efficient. I keep going. That's what lather catchers are made for. You ain't got to rinse them. So easy to shave with. You'd think these things would have been aggressive back in the long time ago, but they're really not. They're very smooth razors. in Arco. It's a very, very slick soap. Rinse the razor. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to get on the nose, but y'all know how I do that. This, go crossways and up with it, and you can get right under the nose by doing that. I can go ahead and get against and all of that. It don't really bother me when I'm shaving. All this 3-pass stuff, like go with the grain, across the grain, and with the grain. You know, some people's whiskers on their face grows all kinds of ways, man. It's a blade. It's a sharp, sharp blade. It's gonna cut everything, as long as you use light pressure. You don't use light pressure and try to go against the grain and all that, yeah. Ingrown hairs and all of that probably. Let me rinse my face for the second pass. I'm gonna do 2 passes and a cleanup. Some more of this awesome Arco from Turkey. Unbelievable cheap soap, shaving soap, and it lathers. High quality soap. Swipe the thumb, I guess. Okay. Like the old fat boys does, swipe the neck. Swipe the sideburns. I don't hardly have sideburns anyway, as y'all can see. Okay, rinse the razor on the warm water again. Let's do a Gillette slide under the neck. 2 ways to do a Gillette slide. It's kind of like going down, or you can hold it crooked like a slant razor and go down. Okay. Unbelievable how good these lather catcher shaves, man. Back in the old days, they had the art of making razors, the art of shaving, and they knew how to design them. These days, they throw a razor together, no matter how, and marketing, you know, make money. And let's go up on the cheeks. Lather catcher. Let's go up on the chin. And this is how it gets under my nose right here. I do the fool's pass with the lather catcher. Okay. Let's do a let me my Thayers. Kind of slick this stuff. Witch hazer to do the cleanup, the pickup, whatever you want to call it. Works great. Even my buddy from London, England, somewhere over there, told me he does that and it works pretty good. Now I got slickness all over. Wash my hands off. Wet the razor. Okay, let's go around and feel. Oh, be careful. This is where I get my polishing. Alrighty, it turned into a BBS, y'all. Yes, indeed. BBS. I got whiskers that try to hide from me. But put some of that witch hazel on, do a feel around like I do. I notice Paul on the Shaving Fox, he goes around like that and feels. A lot of people do that. Thing's such a good shaver. All my leather catchers are such a good shaver, y'all. And that's it. Okay, BBS, y'all. BBS. Okay, let me rinse my face in cold water. That is very, I probably take more whiskers off my face than most men do. Oh. Well, let's rinse the face with cold water and use Gentleman John alum block I think the next alum block I'm gonna buy is from Shave Nation, the one that's in a deodorant container. No sting, y'all. No stingy. So that was a good shave. Rinse it off right quick. pat the face dry. Oh my gosh, what a BBS. Oh my goodness. Why don't I shave with y'all more lather catchers? I don't know. Shave better than some of them new razors I got. But that's a fact, folks. Get mad at me if you want to. The vintage is always going to be better than the new stuff they make today. Especially when you're back from them days. So let's use some Dickerson. Let's use some Dickerson for the witch hazel. Astringent right here. And we're going to use some of this citrus musk right here. Smells good. Or some cologne after shave. Yes indeed. Oh gosh, what a good razor, lather catcher. And I'm assuming all you fellas got at least a lather catcher. If you don't know what you're missing. It's really a mild razor back in its day, but very efficient. Feel the blade a little bit. And them SE blades, Jim, stainless steel, they last longer than a DE blade. So, yeah, when I was shaving with that wreck the other day, I got a couple of nicks, something like that. The corner of it is very sharp. And if you don't watch when you're shaving with them wet cutthroat razors, you will get yourself. This shave here was awesome. Yes, indeed. And I'm gonna try to run out of this stuff. Aqua Velvet 5-in-1 heals redness and ingrown hairs and all that you may have got when you were shaving. And what an awesome shave. Wow, I look 20 years younger, y'all. Okay then, I love you people, and thank y'all for joining me again. And until next time, always have some good shaves and some good days, and enjoying yourself. And Mikey's Shaves, we'll see y'all next go around. Okay, bye for now. Okay, bye.